Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make some cheesy, beefy baked potato, and oh boy, I know this will be one of the best potato you see. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. We have four nice thick potato here that is greased and ready to insert into the preheated oven on 350 degree to bake for about an hour, or when you insert a knife into the middle and it's soft, that's when your potato is ready. This is a little bit more than a pound of ground meat that I already have on the stove in the frying pan, and I'm going to season well. So here I'm adding some steak season. This steak season tastes really nice and spicy, so I add a small amount. And there I'm adding some Cajun season, garlic powder, onion powder, dried rosemary, some dry basil also, and there I'm adding a tablespoon of soy sauce with about half teaspoon of ginger powder. It didn't show in the video, but if you notice a little brown spot there, that's the ginger powder. So here I'm going to give it a nice stir to combine the meat and the season together. After blending the season and the minced meat, here I'm going to add some season. This is a blending of 3 garlic, half medium-sized onion, half medium-sized yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. And here I'm adding about half of that mixture. We are going to have a flavor-rich mincemeat right here. We are going in with flavors on top of flavors, so we can assure that this is going to taste really good. So I am going to add about 1/4 cup of ketchup. You can add tomato sauce also, but I prefer to use ketchup. The difference between the ketchup and the tomato sauce is a little soury. The ketchup have that little sweetness, so that little sweetness toned down the sourness from the tomato. So that's my choice. This is looking so delicious. Look how juicy it look. Wow. So we are going to add a small amount of cheese. This is about half cup of white cheese. You can add cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese you prefer, just to give it a little cheesy flavor. So once we give it a nice stir, our mincemeat is ready. And we have a tasty and juicy looking mincemeat ready for our potato. And we are going to prepare this about the last 20 minutes or so before our potato done, so we can have it ready for the potato. So our potatoes are done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a space in the potato for the grind meat. So I'm just taking out a small piece of the potato. So we're gonna add a little bit of cheese first. And here we are adding our delicious minced meat. And we are gonna add enough until we have a little bit flowing on top. So there I'm adding a little of the leftover minced season. So here again you can see we are going to have such a delicious baked potato with cheesy beefy. So we are going to add our cheese now. And there we are going in again with a little bit more of our minced season. So we are going to have that nice little flavor from the bottom to the top. I love this. So after we finish this, we are going to insert it back into the oven and allow it to bake for the next 10 minutes. We just want the cheese to melt on top because the potato is already cooked, the beef is already cooked. So about 10 minutes or so, you just want to check on it until you see that cheese is melty and your baked potato is looking delicious, just like this. So here guys, I want you to go ahead, try this recipe. Drop a comment below, let me know how did yours came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers and faithful viewers.